welcome back to my channel. Today we made a quick trip to Schaffhausen. Just imagine, Schaffhausen is in Switzerland, but to go there we used a way through German. So we are now in German actually, and we'll be in Schaffhausen in 20 minutes. Can you just imagine if you have to go to your own country and the quick what? Yes. Yes. So to have the quickest way to Schaffhausen, we had to pass through German actually. So we are the family together.
Hello.
Hello, Louise.
Hello. We're not allowed to show our dad.
That's good.
Okay guys, so I'll show you the way Schaffhausen and the famous waterfalls. Okay guys, keep watching. Yeah. So guys, you can see my shadow and the boys, they are in front walking, going to Rhine waterfalls. Boys, look here. Say hello.
Hello. Hello.
Okay. So guys, this is the Rhine waterfalls. Let me try to, but there, you know, you have to go the other side if you want to go there.
I need to go with the boat. I want to go
Okay.
to the closest path to the waterfall.
Really?
Yeah, it's so cool. That's for the boat.
So guys, you can do local tourism, which is not a problem, and people, they can go nearby there to have the feeling of the waterfalls. This is Rhine. Oh my goodness, I'm saying Rhine. Rhine waterfalls. So this is
Super cool.
yeah, but you know, I'm scared to go. I'm scared of water actually, so I don't know if I can go nearby there. So you see, you can have all this wonderful
And I am brave to go close to waterfall.
okay guys, you have heard, and me, I can't. Okay, we are going nearby and to have something to drink and to take some pictures. Guys, can you see the fish? See the fish, see the fish. So hey guys, hey guys, hey guys, you can see, you can see, you can see, you can see, this is Rhine waterfall. So we can also enjoy the local tourism. We are not even supposed to go like to travel, to fly out of the country. And so we made a quick weekend to be here. As you can see, my boys, they're enjoying their holidays. So it's really beautiful here. The waterfalls and everything. And so we are keeping the money in Switzerland, you know, if you can think about it. Okay guys.
Yay! Hello! Hello guys! I'm the poopy!
So you know, these guys, they are always funny. Thank you for watching guys. It's time for us to go home. We have enjoyed this little trip and we are looking forward to what we are going to do next week.
Mama!
Okay, bye.
Mama, I don't want to go
Bye bye
home.
guys, bye.
Mama, I don't want to